This is I Surrender All in the key of G. I hope you love how simple this song is to play through chording. So as always, click on the description of the video below, and I have the chord sheet for you to be able to print out and follow along with me. So let's get going. In the right hand, we're going to play some simple chords. A G chord is made up of G, B, D. D chord is a D, F sharp, A, makes this triangle. And then we have a C chord, C, E, G, and that's it. G, C, and D are the three main chords. All right, when our right hand is playing the chords, our left hand's just gonna play pinky on G, line up our 5 fingers, and you can play single notes with a chord. So G to G, D to our D triangle up here, D single note, and C to C. All right, the rhythm that we're gonna do when we bring the two hands together is together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Let's see what it looks like when we add some vocals. So in the verse 1, we just have G, D, G, D, G. It just repeats himself. So really simple verses, and all of them are going to repeat themselves 1 through 5. All right, so when we play the G to G, we'll go all to Jesus. Move to the D, thumb here. I surrender, back to the G. All to him I, D, freely, G, give, G again, I will ever, D, love and trust him, G, in his presence, D, daily, G, give. The chorus just goes really simple. We're just going to add in that C chord. I surrender, C, all. Then to the D. I surrender, G, all. G again. All to thee, my C, blessed Savior, G, I surrender all. Pretty simple. All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end, and you can follow along with me. As always, go back to the beginning if you need, and the printable chord sheet will be able to kind of guide you with the chord changes from chord to chord. Here we go.